How to send messages on PS5. So what you want to do first of all is get your PlayStation 5 controller. Then you want to look for the PlayStation logo in the middle bottom part there. Go ahead and tap that once. Then you'll be able to go to Game Base. So from the home there, go right until you see Game Base. Click X on that. In there you should see the little messages icon. You can go ahead and click in there. You can view all messages or do a new message at the top there. And you can send messages to people who you played together, your friends, or search for a player. Then once you've done that, you can go into the message of the profile, go ahead and type enter a message, type whatever you want in there, like so. Then you can go ahead and click the R2 button, then you'll be able to send it. And once it's done, you can also do a few different things in the settings there. So basically all you need to do is go to Game Base, go to a friend's profile, click send message once it's on there. That's another way of doing it like this. Either which way, that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.